Otak you macam mangkuk, kepala you mangkuk.
Welcome back to Dapur Neraka. We are now left with the final two aspiring contestants. Who will be the final contestant to go through to compete in this season's Dapur Neraka?
There are only two of you, but there can only be one that goes through to compete in this season's Dapur Neraka, where the winner will get his very own Ramly burger stall at SS15. Now, let's begin the challenge. Desmond, come.
Hi, my name is Desmond, but you can call me Digidas for short. Ever since I was a kid, I always wanted to be a chef. You guys got watch the Disney cartoon, the rap? Go inside the hat and control the guy, suddenly can become chef. After I watch that movie, I tell myself, I want to be the rap. I'm always a fan of Chef Nabil, yeah. Ever since he created the keropok leko cheese, wow, have you thought of that? Put cheese and keropok leko, boom! Ui, that one damn smart walao. And then I illegally migrate to UK I study for 20 years and cook, yeah. So come back here, join the competition. I hope I can win and impress Chef Nabil also, yeah.
Now the theme of this challenge is rice. Now let's see what you have here.
Oh, this one is the nasi lemak ayam rendang ala Desmond. This one is the Malaysian favorite cuisine,
The rice delicious, steamed to perfection. I love your technique. How about the chicken?
Oh, the chicken This one I make special for you I learned from UK one.
Oh, from the UK.
See? Chef Nabil smile, confirm my dish will blow his mind one.
It is a known fact when Chef Nabil is angry, his inner Malay comes out.
Apa lancau ni? Mangkok mana yang masak ni?
Something wrong with the dish, chef?
Something wrong. Mana ada ayam rendang yang crunchy ni? Otak you macam mangkuk, kepala you mangkuk. Tahu apa mangkuk? Bulat, dalam tu kosong macam kepala kau. Dari mana kau belajar ni? Dari mana?
UK.
UK? Muka kau tu dah lah hodoh. Otak tu jangan nak bodoh. Bagi!
Hi, my name is Kwan, and yeah, I think I can cook. So there's one time I was doing assignment, that time around 12 a.m. Very hungry already so I steal my roommate hot cup. After that, I realized I memang can cook very nice the food. So yeah, I think I can win this time competition easy for me. If I got my own Ramly burger store I no need to steal my roommate hot cup already. I can eat my own burger.
Kwan, what is this?
Oh, this nasi bujang.
Nasi bujang.
Oh yeah, I'm from UK also.
It was at this moment, Chef Nabil doesn't give a fuck.
Saya memang marah. Saya betul marah. Saya sangat marah sebab saya tak tahu betapa sedapnya nasi bujang ini. Wah, Kwan, you're a genius. The simplicity of the dish with its presentation is genius. The combination of flavors just marvelous. I really feel like I'm taken back to my single days of doing assignments late night and working overtime. Juan, this is by far the best dish I've had in this season of Dapur Neraka. And you know what? Congratulations! You're going to the next round of Dapur Neraka. By the way, which part of UK do you say you were from again?
Oh, Ulu Klang.